Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we're going to kick it off talking about Mayberry Jamaican Equities. Not the investment bank Mayberry Investments, but Mayberry Jamaican Equities, which holds quite a number of stocks, 25 or 30 or so, dominated by Supreme Ventures, the gaming and entertainment giant. In this case now, this is an updated daily net asset value. That's the NAV, cruising above Jamaican $12.40 per share, now at exactly $12.44 per share as at June 18th, 2021. And don't get it mixed up, this is not the market price, folks, but it is the NAV, a tracking type of pricing to see how it's performing overall. Now, PanJam Investment Limited coming out here with an advisory change to the audit committee, but it's really only just one change or so forth of a committee member. We're going to talk about that. The advisory says it's stemming from the board of directors meeting that the company has restructured and rationalized its various subcommittees. In this case, in particular, the audit committee. It takes effect July 1st, 2021. And the change, or the main change here, is that Mr. Christopher Barnes replaces Mr. Matthew Pragnell, both directors overall, and Mr. Matthew Pragnell is reassigned to another committee. Now, QWI Investments, another investment company on the JSE, it's updated unaudited net asset value, or NAV, as at June 18th, 2021. It's cruising in the right direction as well. Up north was Jamaican $1.34 per share. Now, Jetcon Corporation Limited, lots of trading in their shares here, the continued trend of the purchasing or on the buy side here. So without question, the used car dealer, one of the largest in the island, it's clear that the supply is just being gobbled up by connected parties, directors, and so forth. In this case, connected party buying up a total of just over 600,000 shares during the period June 14th to June 15th, 2021. Let's keep our eye on Jetcon, because as this supply dries up, once they're not in that blackout period by the Jamaica Stock Exchange, as their earnings reports come out, but seeing this amount of shares being bought up over a period of time, it should really dry up on the supply side of Jetcon or on the ask side. Last up, overseas markets. Interesting development here. Not going as far as saying Nike just yet, but Peloton, very popular stock, very popular brand, venturing into the wearable market. Per reports coming out of the Peloton camp, and lots of analysts globally is considering this. Now, it would be the digital heart rate armband. What they're saying is that it would pair wirelessly with the other Peloton devices and potentially be in two different sizes or options. Now, coincidentally, Peloton acquired actually Atlas Wearables recently or early this year. So the deal here, or the announcement here, makes sense. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.